I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. Musicians have a lot of things that we have to practice over and over again. Things like scales, arpeggios, patterns, riffs, and licks. Well, today we're going to talk about a different way to approach these things. And if you learn to implement the exercises in this video, it will not only keep your scale practice fresh and interesting, but it can also improve your technique and your ability to feel polyrhythms and subdivisions. Some folks call this the rhythmic scale, which is just a nice catchy way of talking about subdivisions, really. The basic idea is that you subdivide the beat into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 notes per beat. It's called a scale because we ascend numerically, and we increase the rhythmic density as we go along. Kind of like the way a melodic scale increases intervallic distance from the root. Percussionists often practice this concept with mallets and sticks to work on their rhythmic accuracy. Well, we're going to use it to kill two birds with one stone. We're going to work on our rhythmic accuracy with subdivisions and our facility with scales at the same time. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm probably just going to use a major scale and arpeggio to keep it simple. But keep in mind that you could apply the rhythmic scale to any kind of mode, arpeggio, or pattern that's built of notes that have the same rhythmic value. And while you're doing this, place special attention on the components of your body that have to work together to play really solid time. It takes more focus than you think. And don't ever let anybody tell you that the instrument you're holding is not a percussion instrument. Whether it's a saxophone, a guitar, a banjo, an ocarina, or a drum, it absolutely is a percussion instrument. Every instrument is. It's just that with the sax, instead of sticks or mallets, you have a tongue, air, and you have fingers. My point is that as much as any drummer or percussionist, you are responsible for keeping solid time. There's nothing more important than playing with good time and a good tone. The two T's. All right, now, so let's get started. In addition to your instrument, you definitely need a metronome for this exercise. I'm going to set mine at 60 beats per minute, 60 BPM. I'm going to play these slurred, and I'm mostly going to stick to the major scale and arpeggio in B-flat concert. So G scale for alto sax, C for tenor, so on. But as I noted before, you can use the rhythmic scale with any mode or pattern you like. 1 note per beat, quarter notes. Simple, right? We learned that in elementary school music class. Or is it simple? It's actually harder than you think to line up your beat exactly with the click. If you want proof, just record yourself doing this exercise and listen back to find out exactly how on or off target you are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we move up to 2 notes per beat, or the 8th note subdivision. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I think we all know what these are. So work really hard to make sure that the spacing of the 2 notes is completely even across the beat. And remember to play with a sense of phrasing and direction as you move through the instrument. There's really no reason that you shouldn't play your scales or your patterns with as much beauty and intent as you play your favorite ballad or any other melody. Now, 3 notes per beat. The triplet subdivision. Triplet, 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 triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Merrily, merrily. 1 lale, 2 lale. Ta-ke-ta, 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 ta. Any 3-syllable phrase you like is good for counting triplets. By the way, I'm just giving you different options for counting because people latch on to certain syllables better than others. And they're good to know if you're a teacher as well, to have different options. Now, 4 notes per beat, 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a takademi, takademi, pepperoni, pepperoni. Five notes per beat. And a partridge in a pear tree. Also known as quintuplets. The 5 subdivision, quintuplets. So this is where folks can get a little bit tripped up sometimes. It can feel a bit awkward at first to space an uneven number of notes evenly across a beat. So try thinking of a familiar word like opportunity. Opportunity, 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 opportunity. Or hippopotamus. It's a good one. Hippopotamus, 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 hippopotamus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hippopotamus. Or you can break it up into smaller groups and count it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 can help too. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Or just 1, 2, plain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want. Whatever helps you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a lot of ways you can count it. With any of these subdivisions, try to realize that all you're doing is playing a totally even rhythmic pattern. After all, if you take away the big beat, take away the click, it's pretty simple, right? Just sounds like even notes repeating, one after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's really just all about how you group them together, right? So now we arrive at sextuplets, 6 notes per beat. Triplet, 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 triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 2 and a 1 lale, 2 lale, 3 lale, 4. Merrily, 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 merrily. Whatever 3-syllable word you like. Really, we're just grouping 2 sets of triplets together. Septuplets, 7 notes per beat. So remember everything we talked about with the quintuplets, with 5, because it's going to feel similar. Maybe a little goofy and lopsided at first. But some good phrases for 7 are, I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus.
I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a hippopotamus. I'm a hippopotamus, you're a...
Or you can also use What an opportunity, what an opportunity, what an opportunity, what an opportunity. Or 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Any of those can be helpful. And I just want to add here, if practicing the full range of your instrument feels like too much at first, or if you're struggling to land the downbeat with an odd meter one, with a 5 or a 7, just try practicing one beat at a time. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Ba-da-da-dee-da-da. Stop on beat 1, just do one beat, and observe which note you're aiming for in the downbeat. Then start again. Do that a few times over and over. When you get comfortable just doing one beat, then add the next beat, kind of like this. So now we're at the top of the scale, 8 notes per beat, also known as 30-second notes. You can count them 1 iana, 2 iana, 1 iana, 2 iana, 1 iana, 2 iana, or takademi, 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 takademi. I guess if you want, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of rushed, but do what you like. So just like with all the others, focus on spacing the notes totally evenly across the beat and make that downbeat land right on time. And remember that the faster you play, the more relaxed your body needs to be, your body and your fingers. So try to stay loose and play without tensing up. So that's the basic idea behind the rhythmic scale and how you can use it to practice. As I said before, if you really implement this, you can improve not only your finger technique and dexterity with scales, but also really tighten up your subdivisions and your ability to feel polyrhythms. So if you master all these basic subdivisions and you want more, or if you're just an overachiever, there are a couple of other subdivisions we can go back and put between 1 and 2 notes per beat. Who doesn't like a challenge, right? We can do quarter note triplets. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. If you struggle with these, with quarter note triplets, which can be confusing, especially at slower tempos, you can always get them exactly right by thinking of 8th note triplets and then grouping those into 2s, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ding, 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 ding. Like that. It might also help to know that you land on a downbeat every third iteration with this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We can also do dotted 8th notes. Ding, 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 ding. If you group 16th notes into 3s, you'll get perfect dotted 8th notes. Da 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 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. That's how much time a dotted 8th note takes up, right? It's an 8th note plus half its own value, so 3/16 notes total. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, D, 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 D. So every fourth iteration, you'll land on a downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And also for sax players or wind players, you could turn this idea into an articulation drill. Just play all the subdivisions on a single note to give your tongue a nice workout. So in conclusion, this is just a fun and interesting alternative for scale practice, or for working on your arpeggios, patterns, or whatever you like, really. And simultaneously, it's a great way to improve your time and to learn to feel subdivisions, because you're learning to approach the big beat from a lot of different rhythmic perspectives. Thanks for checking this out. Please do remember to subscribe, like, love, share, save to watch later, add to your playlists, leave a comment, turn on notifications, remember to turn off the stove, dance class is canceled on Thursday, pay the gas bill, register to vote, don't forget to pick up the dry cleaning, rotate your tires, send the link to your grandmother to watch, please, tune into my next video, write your senator with anything playing